Chapter 7, Indefinite Integrals. Today we are going to see some question based upon some special integrals. Our questions are, now you have to understand one thing. Suppose the question given is integrate dx upon under root x square minus a square. Then it is understood that you have to prove the theorem and you have to come to the result. Next, it can also be asked, prove that the integration of given integral is equal to this, then that will be proof. Otherwise, if it is asked without proof, that means you have to derive the integration. Okay, otherwise we are having the simple questions. Our questions can be of this type. You can see here the first question. Your first question is integration of 1 upon 9x square minus 4, and this is your dx. First of all, you have to make the coefficient of x square 1 by taking that particular number outside. यहाँ पे देखिए x square के साथ आपका क्या है 9, तो ये हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे dx. आपने यहाँ पे 9 बाहर ले लिया तो ये आपका हो गया x square minus 4 upon 9. So this can be written as 1 upon 9 your dx x square minus 4 upon 9 can be written as 2 by 3 the whole square. अब आपको चेक करना है ये किस फॉर्मेट में आ रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली इट इज कमिंग इन विच वन, द फर्स्ट वन, विथ a is equal to 2 upon 3. Now you can apply the formula 1 upon 9. इसका इंटीग्रेशन आपका क्या हो जाएगा 1 upon 2a. 2, what is the value of a? 2 by 3. Right? Next, log x minus a, that is 2 by 3 upon x plus 2 by 3 plus c. Now you can see here this 3 will be here, so this is your 1 upon 12. ये 3 आपका यहाँ से नोमरेटर में शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. Then 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 4 into 3 12 log. This is 3x minus 2 upon 3x plus 2 plus c. So this is the answer for the given question number 1. Moving on to the question number 2. Your question number 2 is integrate dx 1 minus 4x square. So once again the same thing, integrate dx. 4 हमें बाहर लेना है तो ये आपका हो जाएगा 4, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 1 by 4 minus x square. Now this can be written as 1 by 4 dx half the whole square minus x square. Now this will be of this form. Okay, so we are here with 1 by 4 into 1 upon 2a. यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी हाफ. 1 upon 2 log a plus x, that is half plus x half minus x plus c. You can see here ये 2 आपका यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So this is 2, 2 will be cancelled. So here 1 by 4 log 1 plus 2x 1 minus 2x plus c. Okay. Now coming to the question number 3. Your question number 3, once again we will be doing the same thing. dx 16 बाहर ले लेते हैं तो ये आपका हो जाएगा 9 upon 16 minus x square. So this is equal to dx. 16 का आपका क्या बाहर आ जाएगा 4, right? Here this can be written as 3 by 4 the whole square minus x square upon under root. तो ये आपका इस फॉर्म का हो गया. So this is once again 1 by 4 sine inverse x. What is the value of a? 3 by 4. So here it will be 3, here it will be 4 plus c. So So this is the final answer for question number 3. Okay. Moving ahead our discussion, we have got some more problems to see which are based upon the standard results. Okay. Your question number 4, you can see here question number 4. It is your dx अपॉन अंडर रूट 16 आप बाहर ले लीजिए तो ये आपका हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 9 अपॉन 16. Okay. Now just see here, this takes dx upon under root. Now this 16 will come here 4, तो ये आपका हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3/4 the whole square. Right. Now just see here, अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर, ये आपका इस फॉर्मेट का है. You will use the result, that is 1/4 log x plus under root x square minus 3/4 the whole square plus c. Further you can simplify, otherwise you can keep your answer as it is. In the same way, when we come to the question number 5, you can see here the same way it will start, dx upon under root 16, that is x square plus 9 upon 16, right? And after that this takes the form 1/4 dx upon under root x square plus 3/4 the whole square, and this is the integration. So this is of the form this, right? तो ये आपका 1/4 तो आपका कांस्टेंट है log mod x प्लस अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3/4 the whole square mod plus c. Okay. In the again we are here with the next question. Question number 6, that is dx x. You can see here, this is question number 6. 3 हम लोग कॉमन ले लें तो ये आपका हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4, right? You can take this root 3 outside, 1/√3. So this takes the form dx upon x under root x square minus 2 square. Now this is of the form 7. So it is here 1/√3 आपका रहेगा ये 1/a. What is the value of a? 2. So this is 1/2 sec inverse x upon a means 2 plus c. Okay. Now moving on to the question number 7. Question number 7, that is e to the power x dx upon e to the power 2x minus 4. Now you can see here in all these integrals we are having numerator, in numerator we are having 1, here it is e to the power x. सबसे पहले हम लोग इसको चेंज करेंगे. देखिए e to the power x dx, this can be written as e to the power x the whole square minus 2 square. Let e to the power x is equal to t, then e to the power x dx is equal to dt. Your given integral takes the form, by this substitution it becomes e to the power x dx, ये आपका dt हो गया upon t square minus 2 square. Now this is of the form 1/2 a की वैल्यू क्या है 2 log t minus 2 upon t plus 2 plus c. Now this takes the form 1/4 log t की वैल्यू आपकी क्या है e to the power x. So this is your e to the power x minus 2 e to the power x plus 2 plus c. So this is how we have got the answer by reducing it into the standard form. So this is all about the questions which we have seen based upon all the theorems of the special integrals. Thank you.